Hi everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. So here I am shopping at Big Lots. Come on with me, guys. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. So, I know today is Thanksgiving, so I want to wish each and every one of you a blessed day. Be safe and make sure and love on everyone. Amen. I absolutely love shopping at Big Lots, and I hope you do too. So I hope you enjoyed the shopping trip as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.